Transforming massive documents into bite-sized pieces is simpler than you think with DocuSign's document splitting feature. Let's dive into how you can easily divide your large documents within DocuSign first. Navigate to your DocuSign dashboard and locate the document you wish to split. Ensure it's already uploaded to your account. Once you've found your document, click on it to open the preview. You'll see a toolbar at the top. Look for an icon that resembles pages being separated or a scissors symbol. This is your split document tool. Click on the split document icon. A new window or panel will appear, prompting you to specify where you want to divide your document. Here, you'll see your document displayed page by page. You can either enter the page number where you want the first section to end, or select a specific page to start a new document from. For example, if you want a split after page 5, you'd indicate that. As you define your split points, DocuSign will visually indicate where the separation will occur. You can create multiple split points to generate several smaller documents from your original. Once you've set all your desired split points, look for a button to confirm or apply the split. After confirming, DocuSign will process your request. You'll then see your original document, if you chose to keep it, and the newly created, smaller documents listed separately in your DocuSign account. These can be downloaded, sent for signature, or managed independently. Mastering this split document function in DocuSign not only helps with organization, but also adds a layer of flexibility and efficiency to your digital document management. Try it out today and experience the difference.